AI doesn't make content for you. AI removes the reasons you didn't publish this week. You don't get that distinction. Every tool you buy is wasted. Most AI for live streaming videos hand you a list. 10 tools, 5 categories, no logic for picking any of them. You install 3, give up on 2, and your channel still isn't growing. Here's a better way to think about it. Forget the stack metaphor. You're not assembling a stack, you're hiring a team. A YouTube channel has 4 roles: writer, voice, editor, and distributor. AI can take 3 of them. 1 it can't. Get that division right, and you ship every week. Get it wrong, and you spend 6 months tweaking tools no one watches. Let's start with the role AI cannot touch: strategy. That's it. Niche choice, what your channel is for, who you're talking to, the angle nobody else has, the point of view that makes a viewer choose your video over the 17 others on the same topic. No AI does this for you. ChatGPT can give you 20 niche ideas. Every one will sound like the ones it gave the other 50,000 creators who asked the same question. Generic. So before we talk about which AI to hire, be honest about what you're holding on to. If you don't know your niche, who you're for, what your angle is, adding AI accelerates publishing in the wrong direction. Faster output of the same noise. Strategy is the line. Now the 3 roles you can delegate. First role, writer. The one who turns your idea into a script people actually finish. Here's where most creators lose 2 weeks a month, sitting in front of a blank document, rewriting the opening for the 8th time, telling themselves it's still not punchy enough. I've done this, you've probably done this. Hand it to an AI, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, pick one, doesn't matter. Paste your raw idea. 30 minutes later, you have a working draft. Here's the trap. That first draft, it's not shippable. Try reading it out loud. It'll sound like a TED Talk transcript written by a committee. 3-part lists everywhere. Hooks that work on paper and die on camera. The rule is simple. Let AI build the skeleton. You put the muscle on it. Take the structure. Throw out the phrasing. Rewrite the lines that carry your personality. You skip that step, viewers feel it in the first 30 seconds. Retention dies in the same spot every time. The bottleneck this removes isn't writing better. It's starting at all. The blank document is the enemy. AI just makes sure you never look at one again. Second role, voice. The one who actually says the words on camera. Quick question, do you need to be on camera at all? If your channel is your face, yes, don't touch this one. The face is the product. But if you're running a faceless channel, an education channel, anything multi-language, pay attention, because here's the thing that kills more channels than any algorithm change ever did. You wrote the script Monday, planned to record Wednesday, kid got sick, now it's Friday, your hair looks weird, the lighting's off, you tell yourself you'll do it tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes next week, the video sits unpublished for 14 days. Sound familiar? Something like, hey Jen, earns its keep here. You wrote the script Monday. By Wednesday morning, the video exists. No camera. No, wait, let me fix my hair. The presenter shows up every time. In any language you need. 2 cases where this becomes obvious. 1. You don't want your face on the channel anyway. Stocks, history, finance commentary, top 10 explainers. The personality lives in the writing and the editing, not the host. An AI presenter just delivers the goods. 2. You publish in more than one language, recording yourself in English, then Spanish, then Portuguese, then Hindi every week. Nobody does that. An AI presenter does it in an afternoon. Same script, 4 voiceovers, 4 channels, 1 writer. What stays with you is the script, the editorial choices, the angle. The presenter is the delivery mechanism. The intelligence behind what's being said, still you. Where this breaks down, faking a personal brand. If your audience expects you on camera and gets an AI instead, they feel it before they can name it. Use this where the host was never the draw. Third role, editor. The one who turns a recorded voiceover into a video people actually watch through. Quick scenario. You recorded a 40-minute take Tuesday night. Wednesday morning, you sit down to cut it. By lunchtime, you've removed the ums. By 4 p.m., you've found B-roll for half of it. By dinner, you're staring at the timeline, wondering if this is the job you signed up for. AI editors collapse that day into an evening, sometimes an hour. Silences cut themselves. B-roll matches to your script automatically. The 16:9 master resizes into vertical clips for shorts while you're making coffee. But here's what AI cannot do. Pacing. The difference between a good edit and a great one is knowing where to slow down. The pause before the punchline. The extra half second on a number that matters. AI keeps everything moving at one constant speed. You decide where to breathe. So the bottleneck here isn't editing better. It's getting back the hours that kept you from publishing more than once every 2 weeks. Combine this with an AI presenter and a script you didn't have to write from scratch. Some creators move from I post when I can to a repeatable weekly cadence without sleeping in the chair. 3 roles, 3 bottlenecks: writer, starting. Voice, recording, editor, post-production hours. Fourth role, the one most AI for streamers videos completely miss. You can write, voice, and edit faster than ever. Your video is done, polished, ready. Now what? Most creators publish it once, 48 hours of spike, then it slides into the archive. 3 months of work sitting in a playlist nobody scrolls to. Sound like every video you've made? The distributor's job is making sure content keeps working after you hit publish. This is the one AI role you cannot DIY with an LLM. It needs infrastructure. That's where Gyre comes in. Think of it like a projector at a cinema. Gyre is the projector. Your channel is the screen. You hand over the projector remote, the stream key, never the keys to the cinema. Your channel stays in your hands. Here's what actually happens. The video you spent a week making in October, Gyre runs it as a continuous 24/7 live broadcast. In March, it's still streaming, giving your evergreen videos more live exposure, more opportunities to earn watch time, while the rest of the team, you, your AI writer, your AI editor, works on what's next. That's the compound interest layer of a channel. The writer, voice, and editor roles produce videos faster. The distributor keeps every one of them earning long after publish. And the part that surprises most creators? Setup takes about 2 minutes. Upload a video, paste your stream key, hit start, you're broadcasting. No OBS, no laptop in the corner, no second computer humming overnight. There's a free trial in the description. You can have a stream live before this video finishes playing. Some Gyre streams have been running continuously for years. That's the kind of compounding only a distributor role can produce. 4 roles, you keep strategy. AI accelerates writing, voice production, and editing. Gyre automates distribution. That's the whole conversation. Not 10 tools, not 5 categories. 4 roles, 3 delegations, 1 closing layer. And the takeaway worth repeating, because everyone forgets it the moment they open a new tab. AI doesn't make your content. AI removes the reasons you didn't publish.
Learn more about Gyre in the following videos. See you there.